Me and Trippy, we be sippin' when we sittin' in the pilot seat. High and key, but they listen every time we speak. Ha full of blunt smoke. Whoa, stay fly and we get dope. Whoa, got your bitch on her knees and she breathing at me down the ride with the deep throat. Whoa, we fly high, sippin', drinking off trees, no lie. Got a grip on my piece of pie. I'm loving this feeling of freedom now. Please don't try. Puffin' the purple, it's like a kiss on the mistletoe. Running a circle and every hit is a Christmas glow. Gotta stay faded, keep it X-rated. Up in the pilot seat, then we high as a soaring crow.
What's up, guys? We are back with a new reaction. Welcome back to the channel to all the returning viewers, and shout out to all the newbies to the channel. I appreciate y'all. It's been a hot minute since I've done a couple reactions, so we're getting back to it. I'm actually going to start doing some live reactions as well, so for those of you that wish to tune in on my live streams, make sure you dial in, turn on that bell button for notifications. If you're subscribed, this way you get notified when I go live and whatnot. And I'm going to be doing some live reactions as well. So make sure y'all tune in. Appreciate you guys. Welcome back. And I'm excited to do some more reactions with y'all. Today we are back with a new reaction to Gabriel Henrique. Shout out to all the Gabriel Henrique fans on the channel. This is Human Nature, a cover of Michael Jackson. And without further ado, y'all, let's just get right to it. Here we go. I am familiar with this song by Michael. Phenomenal song. I'm excited to see where Gabriel takes it.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city wind can sleep inside.
Nice.
Hear her voice.
I love Michael.
Shake my window. Sweet seducing sound. Get my heart into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an eyeball, then let me take a bite. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If
okay.
Right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows our words. She likes the way I stare. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? I like it living this way, I like it loving this way. That way.
Oh. Yeah. Nice.
Telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, ooh, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, I like it living this way, I like it loving this way.
I like this part a lot. I just really like this melody. Nicely done, bro. Nice. All right. That's it. That's all that is her. Well done. That was a phenomenal cover. Human Nature, I feel like it's, I don't know the song's context in particular, but you can kind of tell that it's just about like human nature, love, you know what I mean? And like the experiences of going through hardship and bonding at the same time, you know what I mean? And then maybe losing somebody as well. And why did you do me that way? You know, human nature, to love somebody and then lose that love, I guess, in a sense. Super dope cover though. Very well done. Gabriel did that superb justice. I really like that melody. I love that melody. I'm gonna have to go back and react to that actual song by Michael again too. We're definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna do some Michael Jackson reactions because I'm not super dialed in with a lot of his music. I do know like a lot of the obviously hit records of his, you know what I mean, like Thriller and Billie Jean and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna react to a bunch of his music as well. But Gabriel, you're the man, bro. That was phenomenal. Well done. Very well done cover. Everybody go check it out. Show some love for Gabriel. Subscribe to his channel. And yeah, give it a like. Leave it a comment for him, guys. Phenomenal, guys. Much love. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, do me the favor of subscribing. Turn on that bell button. Follow it up with the all switch. This way you get notified of every single drop on my channel. I generally drop a new reaction every day, then some of my own music and music videos weekly or bi-weekly, y'all. So do take the time to show some love on the original content on the channel. If you like rap, hip-hop, and R&B, you might like some of my music too. I've been making music a long time, 15 years plus. So I can't say that I'm too shabby, you know what I mean? So take the time to check it out, guys. I'll post a link right here to one of my latest songs I just released. Tap directly on that link. It'll take you right to the song. Go show some love on it. Give it a like. Leave it a comment. I'm very versatile with it. I don't have one particular style or sound. I like to switch it up and just create something fresh every time I make something new, you know what I mean? This way you guys don't know what to expect. But yeah, go tap on that. Show some love on the latest song. Appreciate you guys. Like I said, yeah, subscribe. Shout out to the pre-existing members and subscribers. Once you subscribe for free, you can also become a $5 a month member for exclusive perks of the channel if you become a fan of the content, such as early access to every single one of my songs and music videos, as well as some of the reactions. You get to check them before they even come out. So that's one of the perks. You get discounts on my merch on my website, pradawest.com. There's a picture of a couple brand new hoodies I just posted on the website. Yeah, pradawest.com. Prada is my artist name. Prada because I'm Italian and I like the designer brand. That's why I go by Prada. And West because I grew up on the West Coast. So that's where my artist name comes from, guys. I will post a link right here for you to tap on, which will take you directly to the website as well. If you wish to support me, my channel, my reactions, and my music and whatnot, feel free to go over there, check out the website, and grip some merch, guys. I really appreciate you if you do. Yeah, so appreciate you guys. Much love. Shout out to all the members. You guys mean the world to me. Do me the favor of smashing that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the reaction. It helps the algorithm as well. Get it out there. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Even some suggestions of other songs too. And do me the favor of tapping on this pinned link right here, guys. It's a link to my music videos playlist called Music Videos. Go show some love on it. Check it out for me. Show some love on some of my songs and music videos. And download the playlist to your playlist right here on YouTube. Much love, guys. And until the next one, I am out of here. Peace.
Way back like recliners, we ain't new to the grind. Since 2010, we all been representing skills, trying to shine. I remember they had us up on Shaw TV.